Hey guys, Tony here. A lot of people did ask to have a TA on Doggy, although I don't, man, at this point, I don't even know if TA, I, TA definitely works, right? I've been a TA, trader for a very long time. I definitely think 100% that it works, but just looking at the previous, like right here, we were right here on Doggy, like I legit thought this was gonna dump all the way down to 18 cents and I was gonna buy in more. Well, technically we did, right? Technically we dropped all the way down to 15 cents. So I wasn't incorrect, but I did think it was gonna I did think it was gonna keep dipping all the way down. I thought it was gonna go down to lower, maybe like a 12-cent range or whatever. But nope. Doggy basically said fuck all and like completely rallied towards like 60 cents, which is absolutely insane, right? The high that we did was 60 cents. This happened today? Yeah, today, right? May 4th. Yeah, May 4th, yeah, but today. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know how to really do a TA for you guys right now, just because, I don't know how well this is actually gonna help you guys out to what I can definitely forecast what I think might happen. But the one big thing that I do see is we did create very, very, very big support around this 44, 45 range area. So if we don't just keep mooning up, I do think there's a chance we'll go back down, retest this 44-cent mark, and then probably jump straight back up. I mean, at this point, I don't know, dude. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen with DogeCoin. All the money that's being pumped into Doggy is absolutely, like, it's fucking insane, right? If I did have to make, like, some sort of quick breakdown of where I can at least try and forecast where I think Doggy is generally going to go. So I mean, if we look at the fibs, right, just immediately we can see from like relative high to the lows of down to that previous low of what, like 15 cents. So we can see that we were generally close to that fib level of 62 cents. Do I think it's going to go back and retest? There's definitely a chance that it's going to go high up and retest that 62-cent mark, depending on how much volume and how much money gets put into it. There's also a chance that we'll go down to 44 cents, probably retest this, and then jump all the way back up, right? If we do break the 62-cent mark, I do think the next step after 62 cents, I think it's going to be almost $1. It's going to be 90 cents. It's basically going to be a buck if that 62-cent mark actually gets broken, right? That's the bullish side, right? That's considering everything goes extremely, extremely well for the next couple of days up until Saturday, right? Which is basically when Elon Musk has that Saturday Night Live skit and everybody thinks he's gonna do something where the shit's gonna blow up to the fucking moon, right? On the bearish side, man, I can't really find a bear side right now. The month chart is absolutely insane. Like, these big ass candles are absolutely phenomenal. Like, even right now, even on the week, we have these huge candles running up. I don't see Doggy stopping anytime soon, to be completely honest. I think we might see, I mean even here, even last time, right? The last time we actually crossed on the MACD, you guys do know that I do have like a custom MACD, which is basically a reverse MACD. Last time we actually crossed, we basically just traded sideways. So I'm half expecting that to be the same exact thing right now. Like, I'm basically half expecting us to not even dip down to 44 cents and just trade sideways along this 55 cent mark for the next, like, I don't know how long, right? But even on the hour chart, did we actually break on the bear side? We did. See, we actually broke on the bear side at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's what we broke. That we broke on the bear side at 8 o'clock in the morning. It was basically right here around when we barely peaked after that run up, right? 54. Yeah. So we've been, at least on the hour chart, it does look like Doggy is gonna start running up again just right now. So I mean, if I had to guess, I would say that Doggy is probably gonna run again. And I do think it might actually end up, if it doesn't cross the 60-cent level, it's probably running towards 65 cents. Yeah, I can't find a bear case for Doggy right now. I can easily see it run towards 62 cents, possibly breaking that towards the 65-cent mark, and then running towards $1, which is absolutely like phenomenal, unless there's some huge crash, right? I don't think it's gonna crash. I do think that, I don't know, man. And so let me see on the day chart. Did we create I mean, the worst thing that I think the worst thing that can happen. So let's add another support right here, just because it is retesting that mark, and it actually is breaking it. So if we don't actually for the day. So if we stay above this 50. If we stay above 53 cents, 54 cents, I think we're pretty solid towards the upside, right? So I'll give you guys a bear case and I'll give you guys a bullish case, right? So bullish right now, I think that we literally just trade sideways for like, I don't know, the next couple of hours or so. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen, but I really think that right now the bull case is we trade sideways and then we basically just kind of run up from here. So then we just like go all the way up to like 65 cents or so, whatever. And I think that we just like go from there. I think the bear case, we basically go down to the bear case is we basically go down from here down to like what, 44 cents, retest that, and then, you know, basically run all the way back up to this 65-cent mark. I mean, I don't see a bear case for DogeCoin right now, unless there's like some huge something happens and we like sell off bigly. But as of right now, there's a bunch of volume going in. At least on the hour chart, like it doesn't look like anything bad's gonna happen. I actually think we're gonna start moving maybe in the next hour or two. I do see it, you know, start to run towards the upside, which is a pretty crazy part, right? So, you know, let's do a quick 4 hour. Yeah, let's do a quick rundown on at least the 4 hour chart to see how big the move up can actually happen. So we'll do from highs to lows. What were the lows? Right here. Let's go with lows of like 37 cents, I think. We'll go there. We'll go with the lows of 37 cents just to kind of have a relative kind of short gauge. Yeah, I think the next time if we do run and pass the previous level of like 60 cents, I do think the next level up is going to be 74, 75 cents. I think that's going to be a major move to the upside if this bear, if we like trade sideways along the lines of like 55, 54 cents. If we break under this 53, 54 cents and we close under this, I do think there's a chance that we'll go all the way back down to 44 cents. But I think for the most part, I'm pretty bullish right now, and I do see DogeCoin going all the way up to, you know, possibly 74 cents or something. I don't know. It's really hard to not be bullish on DogeCoin right now. All indicators are basically showing signs of upward movement, unless there's some crazy thing that happens where all crypto sells off or like a really big position in Doggy sells off. But other than that, I think we might be headed towards, you know, 74 cents, man. I don't know. It's still crazy to me to think that it's rallied so much in the last 3 months. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.